Hey everyone, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina. I'm back with another Crockpot meal for you guys. This one will truly be a dump and go meal this time. I know I've been making a couple of videos or making a couple of meals that require you to kind of, cook some stuff on the stove. Well, this meal, I promise, it's truly a dump and go. So these are all the ingredients you're gonna need. We are making a Mississippi roast today. So you're going to need some pepperoncinis, a packet of au jus gravy mix, a packet of ranch mix. You'll need half a stick of butter, and you'll need the meat of your choice. Now I'm using a half pork loin, but you can use beef, chicken, pork, whatever you like, okay? It does taste a little different, depending on the meat that you use. But the base flavor is still the same. Of course, the meat tastes different, if you catch my drift. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna start by adding your roast or whatever meat it is that you have to your crock pot. Just sit it right in there. Next, you're gonna add your packets. So you're just gonna add your au jus right over the meat. Next, you're gonna add your ranch right over that. And next, you're gonna add your butter in. I like to, cut it into tablespoons. So I'll cut the butter in half, and then I'll just, cut them into fours. And just add it in. And lastly, you're gonna add your pepperoncinis. Now you can add as many or as little of these as you want. My family loves these. So you can add as many as you want. I wouldn't overdo it though. I add about anywhere from 8 to 10 of these in a given meal. And that was about 10. And that's it, y'all. You'll put this on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 6 hours. All right, you guys, it's been a few hours and now we are ready to go ahead and pop the top off and go ahead and eat. So let's take a look at what this roast looks like now. Should be very, very tender and yeah, and really, really good. All right, so it has cooked down. You can see it's made its own like broth, if you will. Okay, and all of that is great to put on like over your rice or mashed potatoes if you're making mashed potatoes with this. It's just goodness, y'all. I'm telling you, it's just so good. All right, so this should be tender. I don't even think I'm gonna need a knife. I'm just gonna use my spoon here, and I'm right. It's just very, very tender. Look at that. It's kind of hard to navigate in this crock pot, but here we go. There we go. Look at that. So I'm gonna plate up and show you guys what we're eating with this, and we'll have one of my sons come back and give y'all a review. Okay, y'all, so this is how I served it up. We have some arroz con gandules and some, what is this called? String beans, sauteed string beans with garlic, an onion, and a biscuit. So We have my youngest son, Khalil.
Well, good, y'all. Follow me on all platforms. You know what I'm saying? KDOs, you already know what's going on.
Okay, whatever. We're gonna have him do the taste test this time, y'all. So let's see what he says. I mean, this is a family favorite dish anyway. So, Khalil, go ahead and taste it for
As
the
y'all
folks.
can see,
excuse me.
For the taste test, your boy got on that. You know what I'm saying? That crochet hoodie. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go tap in with my Dukes. Indeed. Get y'all some, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all some drip. Well, first we gonna get into the this here. What they call this? This rice?
Arroz con gandules.
This arroz con gandules. All right. Oh yeah, that's good. I rate this. I ain't gonna lie. I rate this 8.5 out of 10.
8.5.
Because I don't like beans for real.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
But the rice is real good.
What about the Mississippi roast? Taste that for them.
Now we're gonna try this roast. Hold on. Get y'all a good chunk. You see what I'm saying? Indeed. Woo! That's banging. How long have I been cooking for?
I think I had it on for about 8 hours on low. It was on low for 8 hours.
The longer you cook your food, the juicier, the more flavorful, the more savory it is. You see what I'm saying? Cook your food for about 10 hours. I'm telling you. Oh yeah, that slap.
What about the green beans? Do you like those?
What do you season with?
Just garlic and onion, a little bit of butter.
Woo! They taste smoked. They taste smoked. But I like those. I can't really eat no green beans like regular, so seasoned green beans they slap. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, good. All right, well, you heard it from Khalil.
KDOs.
KDOs.
Just call it K.
He really enjoyed the Mississippi roast. But again, like I said, this is not like this is a meal that we have often. Whether it's roast or chicken or beef, it works well with any of those meats.
It hits different every time, I'm telling you.
It's so good, but it's so easy to make, y'all. Y'all have to make this recipe. If you've already tried a Mississippi roast, chicken, or any type of beef, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you're planning to try this crock-pot meal, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you do try it, definitely come back and let us know how you liked it. All right. So yeah, again, want to send y'all love, peace, and light. Thank you so much for watching my videos.
Cook this meal, make your family happy.
We're winding down on our Crocktober. We're pretty much at the end of Crocktober. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely give the video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying Crocktober. This lets me know whether or not I should do this again in the future. And if you want to see more cooking videos from me, let me know in the comments down below. Also give the video a thumbs up so I'll know. So you guys, I will see you all in the next video. Hope y'all have a blessed Sunday. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications bell so you don't miss another video. It's been me. It's been that boy K. As always, love y'all. Stay up. I'm out.